Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys we're going to test out yet another product from Aldi from Turtle Wax. It's going to be their tire and trim dressing. Last time we checked out their wheel cleaner, which was pretty good for the money. It only cost £4. Now this product costs £4 also. Now the only drawback of these products obviously is the trigger sprayer. It's not that good. It drips water when you put it on, and also it feels like it's going to break anytime. But rather than that, the chemical inside these products, the chemicals, they're very good. So let's get into the video guys. Now before applying any kind of tire dressing or trim dressing, we need to give the car a very good clean. The overall condition of the trim on this car is pretty good. However, there are some dull areas that we're going to address today. And also, the trim doesn't need a deep clean because the car hasn't been neglected or anything like that. And we're just going to give it a contact wash, and this will do. So I'm going to be using an applicator pad to apply the chemical on the trim. What I've noticed in terms of application with this product, you sort of need to work it in, leave it to dry for a little bit, and then buff it out gently. It's easier to apply the product on hard plastic trim. Pretty much you just need one single step to do it. However, on rubberized sort of trim, it may require several applications to achieve that even look. Now when it comes to the tires, it acts pretty much just like any other tire dressing. Now I also want to mention that it feels like this product is a water-based product, which is probably it is. It doesn't have a lot of nasty silicone, it's not greasy, so it's very user-friendly. I like the even look of the tire. It looks just like the Auto Glim tire dressing that I've been using in the last couple of years, so that's kind of cool. Now you're probably going to see the biggest transformation on this plastic trim, which is it's like a rubberized material. So I'm going to apply this dressing a few times, let it dry, buff it out gently, and then I'm going to apply it again. It will require several applications, but you will see there's going to be a massive difference. I think the bubbling is probably water spots or leftovers from car soap that's been used in the past. So as you can see, the difference is very obvious, and it did dress the trim pretty well. It gave it a very nice matte even look. Now the last piece of trim that we're going to do today guys is the wiper blade cover. It's quite faded. These get neglected, and this is hard plastic. It's not a rubberized material, so you will see that this product will do a very nice job on it. But it will also require me to do several applications, waiting for it to dry, buffing it out, and then applying again. 2 applications did a really nice job. Now this product guys does a very good job. and especially considering the fact that it's only 4 pounds per bottle, it will last you a long time and it's extremely cost effective. Thank you everyone for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.